Welcome! In this video, we will help you to feel confident as a game leader for the Loveland board game.
Mental and sexual health education is still surrounded by a lot of stigma and taboo. It's great that you have stepped in to help break that. And Loveland is here to support you with the right tools and information. Being a Loveland game leader doesn't mean being an expert in everything. What matters most is that you feel comfortable, be aware of your strength, and clear about your boundaries. Let's start with your most powerful tool, your strength. Grab a pen and paper, or simply pause and reflect in your mind. If you're using paper, draw the shape of an island. This is your safe space. Think about your strength. Maybe you're a good listener. Maybe you have a warm sense of humor. Maybe others feel safe, seen, or supported around you. Write them down on your island, or gently hold them in your mind. Feel free to add trees, flowers, animals, or anything else that makes your island feel like you.
Just like your strength, your boundaries matter. Some topics might feel too personal, uncomfortable, or simply not your area, and that's absolutely okay.
Now, draw some rocks around your island. These rocks represent your boundaries, the areas where you need to protect your energy or where you might need support. For example, talking about trauma feels too close to home. Or, I'm unsure how to explain STI topics. Or, I cannot have children, so talking about fertilization is painful for me.
Being aware of your boundaries will help you feel safer and more grounded when guiding a session. The more you understand your own strength and limits, the more confident you will feel. You don't have to get everything right, and you don't need to know all the answers. Just being present, you're already making a difference. In the next video, we will share practical tips to help you lead a Loveland session and support you with useful tools and ideas. See you there!